Want to keep your WordPress site fresh with new content even when you're not around? Let me show you how to schedule your posts like a pro. Hey everyone, I'm Jade from Rapyd Cloud, where we help you keep your WordPress sites fast, secure, and always up to date. Now we're diving into how to schedule posts in WordPress. Whether you're using the block editor, classic editor, or a plugin, I've got you covered. Scheduling posts comes with some awesome benefits. First off, it saves you time by allowing you to batch your content creation. You can plan your content calendar in advance and ensure your postings go live exactly when you want them to, even if you're not online. Plus, scheduling helps you maintain consistency, which is key to keeping your audience engaged and improving your SEO. Let's start with the WordPress block editor. After writing your post, look to the right-hand sidebar. Under the Publish section, you'll see an option that says Immediately. Click on the date and time to set your desired schedule. Once set, click Schedule instead of Publish. And that's it. Your post will automatically go live at the scheduled time. Now, if you're using the classic editor, the process is just as simple. Write your post as usual, and in the Publish meta box on the right, you'll see Publish Immediately. Click Edit next to it, then set your preferred date and time. Click OK and then hit Schedule. Your post is now set to go live at the time you've chosen. Just like scheduling your posts keeps your content strategy on track, having reliable hosting is key to keeping your website running smoothly. With Rapyd Cloud, you can trust that your scheduled posts will go live without a hitch thanks to our fast and secure hosting services. Whether your audience is in a different time zone or you just need a break, Rapyd Cloud has you covered. Click the link in the description to try Rapyd for yourself today. If you prefer using a plugin for more advanced scheduling, I recommend checking out the free plugin Editorial Calendar. First, install and activate the Editorial Calendar plugin from the WordPress plugin repository. Once activated, go to Posts and then Calendar. You'll see a visual calendar of your posts. Simply drag and drop your draft posts into the desired date on the calendar. Click on the post to edit the time and finalize the scheduling. The plugin gives you a clear overview of your content schedule, making it easier to manage multiple posts. And there you have it. Now you know how to schedule posts in WordPress using the block editor, classic editor, and even a plugin. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell for more WordPress tips and tricks. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.